To install GNS3, we have to download GNS3 software from GNS3 website. I have already downloaded the software. Next, in another video, I'll show how to download GNS3. But now I have already a GNS3 software downloaded. I will explore my download folder. So it's GNS3. I'll double click. So I need username and password. This is my username and this is my password. Your username and password will be different, so I'll click yes. This is started. Next, agree, and GNS3. Next, all will be as default. It has been started. I have to click several times in next, agree, because multiple software is installing on the same package. This is GNS3 all-in-one package, so I don't need to install any additional software or helping software. Maybe I can pause the video, and when it's finished I'll be back again. I have to click next. Once something is successful, finish, I have to click again. Free license, no, I don't want to get any money. Next, start GNS3, finish. So it's finish. I can open, oh wait, it's still not finished. I have no router, so I'll add a router from edit preference. This router, new, browse. This is one router 7200. Yes. Next, as it is. Next. Next. We can add different slot. Adding a slot. Find idle PC for this. Will take few seconds or 1 minute. Some idle PC has found it. Okay. Finish. Apply. Okay. Done. Now I can create a new project. Project title is test. Okay, so I can add now this router, and I can add some other devices like switches. I can make the connectivity. This one, finish. I can turn on both devices, so I can see the interface. If I click here, if I double click to the router, so it comes with the login router. We can do another terminal, so we can do the configuration now. What we want: show IP root, do show IP root. So that's it.